What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to cancel an order on Poshmark, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So let's say you accidentally order something, or you ordered it and you realize you do not actually need it. So can you actually cancel an order? Of course. How to do it? Well, I'm gonna show you in a second. So currently I do not have any orders, so we're gonna do it this way. So as you can see, you can cancel an unshipped order placed through Buy Now within 3 hours of order being placed. To cancel an accidental purchase in the app, select Account tab, basically, or in the web, select your profile picture in the top right corner, which is this. Then after it, select My Purchases and select the order. My purchases, as you can see, are over here, as you can see. So after you selected My Purchases, just select the order you want to basically change, you want to cancel. Then select Problems or Order Inquiry. Then select Accidental Purchase and select Yes, Cancel. So basically that's the entirety of the process. So you are going to the top right corner, select on your profile picture, go to My Purchases, and basically just follow these steps, which are select the order you want to cancel, select problems slash order inquiry, select accidental purchase, and then just tap yes, cancel. So basically guys, those are all the steps you need to cancel an order on Poshmark. So as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notify bell on. That's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.